Good evening, students. In today's lecture, we will start with the chemical properties of alcohols. As you are seeing in the screen, the chemical formula of the alcohol is ROH. Here the functional group is OH and this R can be any alkyl group. ठीक है. So before discussing the chemical properties of alcohols in detail, we should know that alcohols undergo mainly three types of chemical reactions. So first type of reactions involve cleavage of OH bond, this cleavage. Second type of reactions involve cleavage of ROH bond, and in third type of reactions we will see reactions will involve both alkyl group as well as hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl means your OH group. So we will discuss these three types of reactions with some examples. So first we will discuss the example related to the reactions cleavage of OH bond. So first property of the alcohol is reaction with alkali metals. So this reaction mainly shows the acidic behavior of alcohol. So in this type of reactions, active metals such as sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, when they are treated with alcohols release hydrogen gas. So because of the release of this hydrogen gas, this reaction shows the acidic behavior of alcohols. In this reaction, order of reactivity of different alcohols is your methyl alcohol is more reactive than your primary alcohol, more than that of your secondary and more than that of your tertiary alcohols. So this reaction exhibits mainly the acidic character of alcohols. So beta, what do you mean by 1 degree or primary alcohol? If this carbon to which this hydroxyl group is attached, if it is further attached to only one carbon like CH3, CH2OH. So this is an example of 1 degree alcohol. This carbon is attached only with one more carbon. But if this carbon is attached with two more carbons like this, now this type of alcohol is known as 2 degree alcohol. Similarly, if this carbon is attached with 3 more carbons, then this carbon will be known as 3 degree carbon and alcohol will be your 3 degree alcohol. So towards this reaction, order of reactivity is methyl more than 1 degree, more than 2 degree and more than 3 degree. So how this reaction takes place? Basically this reaction involves the breakage of this OH bond. So hydrogen will be released and sodium will take its place to form this intermediate RO negative and a positive. Or we can say that if we treat two molecules of alcohols with sodium, then we will get 2RONA plus hydrogen gas will be released. So two molecules of sodium will react. So this reaction basically shows the acidic behavior of alcohols, but alcohols are weaker acids even than water. ठीक है, जो alcohols ने they are weaker acids even than water because of the presence of these methyl or you can say alkyl groups. More is the number of alkyl groups, less will be the acidic character of alcohols. So this is the first reaction related to the cleavage of OH bond. Next reaction is your esterification or esterification reaction. So इस reaction का ए name पहन the reason किया बेटा because in this reaction esters are being formed. So this is your esters. So in this reaction basically esters are formed. That's why this reaction is known as esterification reaction. So this reaction involves the combination of a carboxylic acid and alcohol. So this is your any carboxylic acid because it is carrying COOH group, and this is your any alcohol. I have taken ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Again the cleavage of OH bond will be take place. So H from the alcohol and OH from the acid group will be removed as water molecule. So water molecule will be released and we will get CH3, CH2, COO, CH2, CH3. So this is CH3, CH2, COO, CH2, CH3. So this is your esters having general formula RCOOR. So that's why this reaction is known as esterification reaction because it involves the formation of an ester. And this is a reversible reaction, means it can shift in the backward direction if we don't remove the water simultaneously. Means as the reaction is being going on, we have to remove water side by side so that reaction can take place in the forward direction. So next reaction involving the cleavage of OH bond is the reaction of Grignard reagents with alcohol. In this type of reactions we get alkanes as the main product. Okay? Alkanes are being formed. So alcohols and Grignard reagents give magnesium alkoxide. So this is your magnesium alkoxide and a corresponding alkane will be formed, and the formation of this alkane depends upon the alkyl group which is being attached to this Grignard reagent. So next reaction involves the combination of alcohols with acid chlorides. So this type of reaction is also known as acylation reaction. Acid chlorides. So this is your acid chloride reacts with alcohols to form again esters. Okay? But we are taking acid chlorides here, not acids simply. ठीक है? esterification च बेटा असी इत्थे भी acid लिता है RCOOH, but in this case we are taking acid chloride. So again cleavage of this OH. ठीक है? So H from here and Cl from here, they will be removed as HCl and we will get ester RCOOR dash. Clear beta? RCOOR dash, and this reaction is usually carried in the presence of a base such that as pyridine. So the function of pyridine is to carry out this reaction in the forward direction because this reaction is otherwise reversible in nature. ठीक है? Reversible means if we don't add pyridine in this example, in this reaction, the formation of HCl and this can get back converted into acid chlorides and alcohols. So function of pyridine is to remove the HCl as soon as it is formed. So this reaction is known as acylation, means introduction of acyl group. Similar reaction can also take place by the treatment of alcohol with acid anhydrides. ठीक है? Acid anhydrides. So these are your mainly first type of reactions involving the cleavage of OH bond. Now next type of reaction is reactions which occur due to the cleavage of CO bond. ठीक है? So first example in this case is reaction of alcohol with any halogen acid or hydrogen halides. This can be called as hydrogen halides or halogen acid. So in this reaction the order of reactivity of alcohols is tertiary more than secondary more than primary, and order of halogens is hydrogen iodide is more reactive than hydrogen bromide more than hydrogen chloride. So simply, what is being taken place? Cleavage of this bond, CO bond, means CO bond. So this bond will be broken from here, and this place will be occupied by the bromide ion. Clear beta? OH from the alcoholic group and H from this hydrogen halide, or you can say any halogen acid, they will be removed as water, and we will get haloalkanes. So this is your haloalkane. So if you want to write the IUPAC name of this, so its name will be 2-bromopropane. 2-bromopropane, because bromine is attached with second carbon, so its name is 2-bromopropane. Similarly, so this is your 2-degree alcohol. Similar reaction can also take place with 3-degree as well as 1-degree alcohol. For example, if this is your 1-degree alcohol and we treat it with HCl, then we will get product as CH3, CH2, Cl plus water will be lost. So this will be your chloroethane. Its name will be chloroethane. So this is the first example of the reaction which involves the cleavage of CO bond. Next reaction is reaction of alcohol with PX3 or PX5. Here X may be any halogen. X may be any halogen. Alcohols react with phosphorus trihalides and phosphorus pentahalides to yield alkyl halides, or you can say haloalkanes. ठीक है, means alcohols can react with both phosphorus trihalides as well as phosphorus pentahalides to yield corresponding haloalkanes. So if we write the reaction of any alcohol with phosphorus trihalide, then we have to react 3 moles of alcohols simultaneously. So again the cleavage of this bond will be taking place, and this position will be occupied by the corresponding halogen. So we will get 3RBr. OH will be removed and Br will occupy its position. So 3RBr and your phosphorus acid will be released. Phosphorus acid. So this is your phosphorus acid, and this is your any alkyl halide, or you can say haloalkane. Similarly, if we treat any alcohol with phosphorus pentahalide, ठीक है, in this case I have written phosphorus pentachloride, then again main product is same, haloalkanes, because OH will be removed and chlorine will occupy its place, but side products are different. Here phosphorus oxide trichloride and HCl will be released as the side products, but the main products are same, haloalkanes, whether you treat alcohol with phosphorus trihalide or phosphorus pentahalides. So next reaction is reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Thio word relates to sulfur. Thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. So this reaction again takes place in the presence of pyridine, and we get same product, because देखो बेटा जो भी आप एग्जाम्पल्स कर रहे हैं इन्वॉल्विंग द क्लीवेज ऑफ दिस बॉन्ड, ठीक है, तो OH ने तो रिमूव होना ही होना है, तो जो तुसी रिएक्टेंट सेकेंड लै रहे हो तो उस दे विच जो भी कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗਾ that will take its place, ठीक है, OH will be removed and negative portion of the reacting reagent will take its place. So again RCl means any haloalkanes plus SO2 and your H and 1Cl from here, they will be released. So in this case HCl as well as sulfur dioxide, your sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride gas. Both are gaseous in nature, and this reaction is the best method to prepare haloalkanes. ठीक है, so this is the best method to prepare haloalkanes because of the gaseous nature of both side products. So next reaction is third type of reactions, which will involve both the cleavage of your alkyl group and as hydroxyl groups. So in this type of reaction, again the order of reactivity of different alcohols is 3 degree, more than 2 degree, more than 1 degree. In this particular case, acid, what is the case? Acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohol. देखो बेटा, इसके नेम दे विच ही सारे मीनिंग ने. एसिड कैटालाइज्ड मीन्स दिस रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनी एसिड. ठीक है. डिहाइड्रेशन, हाइड्रेशन वर्ड रिलेट्स टू वाटर. डी मीन्स रिमूवल, so D stands for removal and hydration word relates to water. So in this reaction basically removal of water will take place. So alcohols in the presence of dilute acids undergo dehydration forming alkenes. Clear beta? So this is your any alcohol. ठीक है बेटा. If this is your H, this is again H, H and H. Clear? Or then it is your 1 degree alcohol, because the carbon carrying this OH group is further attached with only one carbon. So how this reaction takes place? OH from this carbon and H of nearest alkyl group. Nearest means alpha carbon. देखो बेटा, this is your carbon carrying the functional group and this is your alpha carbon. If there is one more carbon, that will be beta. ठीक है. So how the removal of water take place? OH from this carbon and hydrogen from the alpha carbon. So this will be removed as water, H2O, and in this case double bond will be there so that carbon satisfy its valency, because the valency of carbon is fixed, that is 4. So we will get alkenes as the main product. So acid catalyzed dehydration of alcohols always leads to the production of an alkene. ठीक है, whether it is 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree alcohol. But in some cases, especially in case of 2 degree or you can say 3 degree, some type more than one type of alpha carbons are present, then situation can be somewhat different, but always alkenes will be formed. ठीक है. For example, this is your carbon, carbon, carbon and carbon. So this is your CH3. I am taking the example of 2 degree alcohol. ठीक है. So this is your 2 degree alcohol because this carbon is attached with 2 carbons. So this is your alpha carbon and this is also alpha and this is your beta carbon. But the removal of hydrogen will always take place from the alpha carbon. So 2 products can be formed. How? In one type of reaction this can take place. CH2 double bond CH, CH2 CH3. So its name will be but1-ene, but1-ene. But in second case, if we take the involvement of this carbon, then your product will be CH3 CH double bond CH and your CH3. This is your but2-ene. So according to the experimental studies, it is your major product. So the major product will be but2-ene nor but1-ene. So this will be your minor product. So what is the reason behind this? This reaction takes place according to Saint-Jeff's rule. Saint-Jeff's rule. So what is this rule? According to this rule, more substituted alkene will be formed as the main product. more substituted alkene. What does it mean? देखो बेटा इत्थे कार्बन कार्बन दे विच ए डबल बॉन्ड है, but this carbon is being attached to further carbons, but this carbon is attached with only hydrogens. मीनस जो एल्कीन्स वाले कार्बन ने बेटा उन्होंने चो एक कार्बन तक के एल्काइल ग्रुप्स नाल अटैच्ड है, बट दूसरा कार्बन दे कोल सिर्फ हाइड्रोजन्स ने, देयर इज नो एल्काइल ग्रुप. बट इफ वी see this structure, these are two carbons in which double bond is present, and this carbon is attached with alkyl group and this carbon is also attached with other alkyl group. So this type of alkene is your more substituted alkane and it will be the major product according to the Saint-Jeff's rule. So ठीक है बेटा, this is your first example showing the involvement of both alkyl as well as hydroxyl groups. So next type of reaction is oxidation reaction of alcohols. So primary, secondary as well as tertiary alcohols undergoes oxidation, but the method for that three alcohols is somewhat different. So oxidation reaction of alcohols usually takes place in the presence of neutral, alkaline, or acidic oxidizing agent. ठीक है बेटा, जो ये रिएक्शन है ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, दे कैन टेक प्लेस इन न्यूट्रल, एसिडिक एज वेल एज अल्कलाइन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, बट टर्शरी अल्कोहल्स रिएक्ट समवट difficulty means they undergo oxidation only in the presence of strong acidic oxidizing agents. ठीक है, so how these reactions take place? Again I am taking the example of 1 degree alcohol. So when 1 degree alcohols is treated with potassium dichromate, or you can say chromic acid or sodium dichromate, you can use anything. ठीक है, because they undergo oxidation very easily. When they are treated with any of these reagent, first we will get aldehyde as the main product, which on further oxidation release carboxylic acids. ठीक है, but in main जो चीज़ है जो तुसी याद रखनी है इस रिएक्शन दे विच, in case of 1 degree alcohols, both the aldehydes as well as carboxylic acids are having same number of carbon atom as that of starting alcohol. Means if we have taken the example of ethanol, ठीक है, conditions are same, then we will first get this product which on further oxidation will release this acid. So देखो, we have started with 2 carbons. Aldehydes is again having 2 carbons and acid is also having 2 carbons. So this is your ethanol. This is your ethanol and this is your ethanoic acid. Means in case of 1 degree alcohols, both aldehydes as well as carboxylic acids are having same number of carbon atoms as that of starting alcohols. But in case of 2 degree alcohols, we will get ketones as first product and they on further oxidation release acids having 1 carbon less than that of starting alcohol. देखो बेटा, ketones are formed with the same number of carbon atoms as that of starting alcohols, but acids are having 1 carbon less as that of starting alcohol. देखो बेटा, in this case 1, 2, 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3 means ketone is having same number of carbon atoms as that of starting alcohol. But if we see this acid, it is having only 2 carbons. So acid has one carbon less than that of starting alcohol. So this is the main difference between the 1 degree and 2 degree alcohols. ठीक है, एक तो ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ एल्डिहाइड बनता है बेटा, इस कीटोन बन रहा है. सेकंड मेन डिफरेंस की है कि जो एसिड रिलीज हो रहा है इन केस ऑफ 1 degree alcohol that has same number of carbon atoms, but in case of 2 degree alcohols it has 1 carbon less than that of starting alcohol. So next is the oxidation of 3 degree alcohols. So 3 degree alcohols are very difficult to be oxidized in neutral or alkaline medium. Means अगर थोड़ा medium बेटा neutral या alkaline है, they will not undergo oxidation. But when you have acidic oxidizing agent, then they can react to show oxidation. But in this case, both products, ketones as well as acids, are having lesser number of carbon atoms. देखो this is your 3 degree alcohol. ठीक है बेटा, 1 2 3 4 कार्बन्स. ठीक है, जो इस तो कीटोन बन रहा है बेटा, this is your ketone. So it is having 3 carbons. ठीक है, so this is your ketone. This was your alcohol. केड़ा alcohol है बेटा? 3 degree alcohol. It first undergoes oxidation to release a ketone having 1 carbon less than that of starting alcohol, and side by side you will get an acids. ठीक है, सो ਜਿਹੜਾ बेटा ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੀਟੋਨਸ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਉਸੇ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਤੋਂ ਕੋਰਸਪੋਂਡਿੰਗ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ बेटा? ਐਸਿਡ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ योर ਫਾਰਮਿਕ ਐਸਿਡ or you can say methanoic acid. So this methanoic acid on further oxidation can release carbon dioxide plus water. So this is the oxidation of 3 degree alcohols. ठीक है, first we will get ketone 1 carbon less than that of starting alcohol, as well as an acid which on further oxidation can release carbon dioxide as well as water. So this is all about your chemical properties of alcohols. Thank you beta.